I'm Alfred Aschmann. I've been working in product management at dormakaba for 22 years. Skyra is primarily a cloud-based access control solution. It is actually based on an electronic cylinder. The idea behind it is that I can use an electronic key with this cylinder without needing batteries. So, no power supply, and I can manage everything through the cloud. I can send access rights to the user at any time, from anywhere. And especially in critical infrastructure, there are now new regulations, like the Critis umbrella law, for example, and that actually requires critical infrastructure operators to provide proof of who is where and when. To be able to do exactly that, Skyra steps in as a possible solution, where you can grant access to a key that a person has. This person is also authenticated in the system. It's like a login. The key cannot just be passed on. But when I have the key, I also need to identify myself again with the smartphone. And only the smartphone and the key together actually provide the access pair. And the operator knows immediately after it has been synchronized who was where and when.